I wait till I'm a full adult to get a cavity? No, I'm not. Good morning, y'all. Today is another Wednesday, February 9th. My second appointment is my dentist appointment. Excuse me, I'm just waking up. Just finished walking. Thugga over there. My appointment's not till 12. It's like 9 o'clock right now. I'm about to actually fix me some teeth. I didn't show you guys my hair. I did it on Sunday. I just put it in some braids and they're really crisp. The only thing is like up here, I might put some mousse on it or something and do my edges a little bit, but I didn't show Sunday because we didn't know if we were going somewhere, so I had to get up and do it a little earlier. That's why I didn't show you really no footage of that. So I have some cute stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna back up. I'm trying to shindig a little bit, like piece by piece, buy stuff to redecorate in here a little bit, but not crazy big stuff. I'm starting off with the kitchen, so y'all might be getting a little bit in these vlogs or videos of what I'm getting and stuff. So far, I picked up this tea kettle, right? So what I'm trying to do is, next month, I don't know if I told y'all my goal for next month, but my goal for next month is health as far as food in the gym. And I might throw in intermittent fasting, but I'm trying to get rid of coffee. Because I have coffee pretty much every morning. That's like my breakfast. But I want to get rid of coffee and start doing tea. So I bought this tea kettle by Barrymore. This is so cute. Like, I like all her appliances. I told Bae, I'm like, you know what? We might have to go ahead and sell this other stuff or give away this other stuff and get some Barrymore. But nah, that's gonna be a little too much. Isn't she cute? She's so fancy. Yes. It's an electric one, of course. When you plug it in, she comes on like this. You have your power button. I'm actually about to make me some now, actually. You have white, green, oolong boil, the temperatures, and then you can warm it after you're done, and that's the temperatures right here. And it's so cute. I got some stuff on Amazon too, just to make this section really cute. You'll see when it get here, you'll see. I'm so scared, y'all, cause I just know they're gonna tell me I have a cavity or something. And I have never, in my 30 years of living, had a cavity, never. And if I do, that's childish. Like, I wait till I'm a full adult to get a cavity? No, I'm gonna have to knock out sweets for real, for real. But as a kid, I never really liked sweets. I was more of a savory person. So it was like, give me the food, hold the sweets. As I've gotten older, I've been wanting sweets like crazy. So I'm gonna have to chill out on that. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and make my tea and pretty much just go ahead and get the day started from there. I need to get gas too, but I wanna try to hold out and get gas tomorrow. So hopefully I have enough gas today. But see, when I do stuff like that, I end up not getting gas and get up the road, traffic heavy. By the time I get back, I got like 50 miles left. That's a lot to a lot of y'all, but to me, no, I don't like that. So I don't know, we'll see. Alright, so this is my OOTD right now. I have on some distressed jeans. I don't remember where I got these from. I really don't. American Eagle jeans. Same slides, Adidas, some socks. I got this sweater. I think this was from Boohoo. It was either Boohoo or Shein, but I do believe it was Boohoo. My sweater I've been having for the longest from Forever 21, like some years, probably 10 years. I just got my hair drying a little bit. I put some mousse in it. Ooh, these thighs. Yeah, I need to get back in that gym, baby. Get back in that gym. Alright, you guys, so I have made it, and I'm a little early. I'm like 30 minutes early, but I'm about to go in still just to see if they need me to fill out any paperwork since I haven't been there in a while. And I did end up getting gas because I didn't want to be played out here. Alright, you guys, so I am back. As you can see, I'm already ready to hop in the shower. So they didn't let me record in there because of HIPAA laws and stuff, even though I'm not putting no audio in it. I was just doing like a quick time-lapse situation, but totally understandable. It was a lot. So this is just my first treatment. I have another treatment next month in the middle of the month. So they had to do a cleaning and then an extra cleaning, which is not as bad as it was last time that I went a long time without going to the dentist. They had to shoot up my gums and everything, numb my mouth and all that. But they pretty much, he got the retainer out. He's gonna fit me another retainer. I need fillings, and he want me to go ahead and take my wisdom teeth out. Yes, y'all, I'm old and I still got my wisdom teeth, but they don't bother me. But he was explaining to me how bacteria can get back there and all that stuff. So I'm considering it, but it's expensive. So not right now. Right now, I'm focusing on my gap that's coming back. So my retainer and my fillings. And then as we go along from there, I'm gonna think about going ahead and get my wisdom teeth pulled. But that's it for this visit. I'm waiting on Amazon to come on with my package. And I guess I'll show you the little setup whenever I get everything. Well, when I get my tray tomorrow, well, my tray today, and then tomorrow, everything else. I'll show y'all as it comes in. Y'all, Amazon played me. They tried to play me yesterday. When I tried to, they did. So I told you I was supposed to get my tray on Wednesday. No. When it got around the time where it said it could be delivered, it was like, nope. It'll be delivered tomorrow with your other stuff. I'm like, see, this is why I don't be fooling with Prime. Y'all used to be on y'all stuff, but now it's just like, we deliver when we tell you we want to deliver. It had the option of, do I want it to come on the 9th and the 10th or everything on the 10th? And I was like, you know what, just go ahead, give me my tray. I can see how I look and stuff, so I'll get that on the 9th. It was like, oops, no, sorry. We meant to tell you, you gon' get it all on the 10th. So that's what happened, but I did receive my packages just now. I'm about to actually put it all out on the counter so y'all can see. I don't want to make this video too long.